Hi guys, today I'm going to make a review on these microphones. So I need some because I do lots of vlogging and I wanted some to capture my voice nice and well because sometimes I vlog outside and it's windy and I just want something to capture my voice nice and clear. So today we're going to be trying these ones. So it comes inside this box. This is what it looks like. It's like a nice container. Let's see what's inside here. So in here, I'm guessing this is the charger. It uses a USB-C. I don't know what this is, but we are going to figure this out together. Comes with, oh, these are the magnets and the clips that you just attach it to. They're very magnetic, okay. Another one of these. This is like a travel bag. It's like a nice leathery material. That's super nice. And then what is this? Let's see. Oh, this is for, I think you put it in here when it's windy because it like mutes out the wind, I'm pretty sure. It's like a cover. It comes with 2 of those, so that's nice. This is what they look like and they're nice and fluffy. Then it comes with a manual, these stickers. And this manual is thick. So it has all the information in there. And this is the last thing that comes inside, which is the case. You can see this is where the USB charger is, and you just put them in here. So this is the part that goes into your phone. And then these are the microphones. Wow, these are small. That's nice. So now I'm going to set it up and try it. I just read this and it says that this is a magnetic sheet necklace. So you can literally wear the microphones as a necklace if you don't want to clip it on. And then these are called windscreens. So that is what those are called. So all you do is you take these, you put them on the clip. Just like this. You can see they stick right on. And then you put them here and they are all ready to go. Obviously, you just got to plug this in and make sure they're charged. Click on, connect them to Bluetooth. It's a super easy process. So I'm going to do it before and after. This is my voice and how I sound before I put and connect the microphones. And this is my voice after connecting the microphones, and I didn't actually have to go on Bluetooth. As soon as I plugged it in, I held this power button on the side, and it literally just automatically worked. You can see because it'll be lighting up green on the thing you put in your phone. I don't know if you guys can see this, but this is a mute button, so while you're connected and on the video, you can actually mute yourself, which is a super nice feature. Here is a close-up of what the microphones sound like when they're closer to your mouth, but this is just overall a super nice thing to have because I always record outside and there's cicadas or someone mowing their lawn or always something outside that's loud, so this is super nice to have for vlogs and just recording. Overall, I'm super happy with the way these sound, and if you're looking for a microphone to capture your voice nice and clearly, then I would definitely recommend trying these.